Howdy, I'm Redneck Roy from Piedmont Mechanical. Let's talk about staying safe on the job site. Construction sites are inherently dangerous workplaces. Because of their very nature, they expose workers to all sorts of hazards, including falls, collapses, electrocutions, respiratory problems, and hearing loss. Yet for many, visiting a construction site is as common as going to the office. If your drivers spend time on construction sites, it's your job to ensure they have the tools and knowledge to protect themselves from the hazards of this work. For those fleets that work on construction sites, safety is always the top priority. Help your drivers practice construction safety with these helpful tips. Whether your fleet occasionally delivers tools and equipment to construction sites, or the construction industry is your main business, safety is paramount. Fleets that visit construction sites must have special safety precautions in place. This should include both well-maintained equipment and proper safety training for all drivers. Inspect vehicles and equipment regularly. By law, your drivers should be performing routine inspections on your fleet vehicles before and after every trip. In addition, you should also have them inspect construction equipment regularly. Keeping maintenance and inspections at the front of each day's work means you're less likely to encounter dangers related to maintenance and breakdowns. Making drivers responsible for reporting equipment, wear or needed repairs gives them investment into safety practices. For this reason, you should also make sure that all vehicles and equipment are serviced regularly by trained mechanics. Every time a vehicle goes in for maintenance or repairs, be sure to also have the vehicle inspected fully. Keep drivers focused and avoid distractions. In today's increasingly connected world, distracted driving is more and more common. In fact, 78% of accidents are caused by distracted driving, and cell phone use makes a driver 4 times more likely to have an accident. Drivers who text or operate various apps while driving pose a hazard to themselves and everyone around them. Mark safe driving routes. Clearly, in any construction site, there are areas that are safe to drive and others that pose dangers. Don't leave your drivers guessing. Post clearly marked signs to tell them where to go and how site traffic should flow. The small amount of time and materials used to mark safe routes is more than made up for with construction safety benefits. Always use a spotter. Backing up a vehicle is one of the most common times for accidents to occur. When you add in heavy foot traffic and large equipment at a construction site, it's a recipe for disaster. While your drivers should be capable of backing up safely, it's still safer to use a spotter every time. This extra precaution could just save a life. Continually reinforce safety training. When you hire a new driver, you likely have some sort of safety training program that they have to go through. Once the new recruit has completed it, it's important to reinforce your company's safety policies regularly, just as OSHA training and other certifications must be updated periodically. This ensures that routine practices are re-examined from a safety standpoint each time training is redone. Remember, safety on the job site is everyone's responsibility. Stay alert, follow procedures, and look out for one another. That's how we all get home safe at the end of the day. This is Redneck Roy of Piedmont Mechanical with locations in Spartanburg, South Carolina, and LaGrange, Georgia. Y'all stay out of trouble out there. 10-4. Peace out.